Hello students, so this question is taken from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. So do you know students, as the temperature rises, particles move. First option is slower, second option is faster, third option is remains at same position, and the last option is none of these. So students, let's move ahead to the solution of this question. So students, according to the movement of particles that we see in different states of matter are as follows. So students, if you see in solid, particles remain at their own position and vibrate. Okay students, and if we see in liquid form, then particles move with random motion as they are quite close to each other students. And if we see in gaseous state students, the particles move more rapidly, and during their movement they actually collide also with each other. Basically students, this movement of particles that we are seeing here in different states of matter, so students, basically the space that is present between these particles are known as intermolecular space, and the force which is responsible for this movement of particles in these different states of matter are known as, student, intermolecular force of attraction. Okay students, so students, let's move ahead with our solution. So the correct answer for this question will be, students, your option number B. As the temperature rises, particles move much faster students, because as the temperature rises students, they gain kinetic energy and resulting in increased collision rates, and their rate of diffusion also increased. Okay students, so I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day.